Hello everyone. Today I am just going to explain very important question of aptitude for placement and interview exam. Let us see. So this is aptitude placement question answer part 5. Part up to part 4 we have already completed. So this is the part 5. The first question is what? Find average of 35, 36, 37, 38 up to 175. So you know simple basic method what? Average equal to addition of all given number divided by total number. But when we add all the number from 35 to 175, it will take a lot of time. So simple trick is what? When there is any series is given and the difference is same. Just like here 35, then 36, then 37, then 38. So here difference is 36 minus 35, that is 1. Here 37 minus 36, that is 1. So average there is a difference is same, that is 1. In the same way, any series is given, difference is anything but should be the same. Then we can use the simple technique. So what is the simple technique? See here. So for the question first, we can find average. So this is average equal to what? There is a first number 35 and last number 175. So 35 plus 175 divided by 2. So when we add this number 5 plus 5 10 and this is 7 plus 3 10 11, this is 210 by 2. So when we divide it we will get 105. So here our correct answer is what? 105 is the right answer. Okay, so any series of this type of question came and there should be a different shape, we can use this technique. Now see the second question. So second question is what? X square plus 10 equal to 7x and y square plus 15 equal to 8y. Then we have to find x plus y. This is also the very important question for the placement exam. So see how can we solve this type of question. So answer number 2. So this is the question x square plus 10 equal to 7. So we can write this question as x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. You know this is a quadratic equation. So we can solve this equation by the factorization method. So there is a 10. You know 2 5s are 10. So we can write this number x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. So only from this you can say this is what? X equal to 5 and 2. So but we are solving this question completely. So when we take x, so this is x minus 5. When we take minus 2 common, this is x minus 5 0. So this is what? X minus 2 and this is x minus 5 equal to 0. So this is what? X2 and 5. So we got value of x2 value, that is x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. In the same way, the second equation, y square minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. Again, this is a quadratic equation and we can factorize this 15. So 5 3 are 15. So we can write this 5y square minus 5y and this is minus 3y and this is plus 15 equal to 0. You know factorization, 5 3 are 15. So this is minus 5y minus 3y is what? Minus 8y. When we multiply these two numbers, we will get 15. Now you can find y equal to what? That is y minus 5 and here 3 common, y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is what? Y minus 5 into y minus 3 equal to 0. So y equal to 5 and 3. So these are the values of y. So x is 2 5 and y is 5 3. Now you check, we have to find what? X plus y. So when x is 2, y is 5 and 3. So 2 plus 5 7, not in option. 2 plus 3 5, not in option. Again x is 5, then 5 plus 5 10. So 10 is in your option because 5 plus 3 18 not. So our correct answer is what? 10. So this is the very important question. Any question come for this type. So this is a quadratic equation. You solve this and find the value of x or whatever variable is given. Again, second equation is a quadratic, find the value. Then you check what is the in option x 2 5 and y 5 3. So x2 y 5 or 3. So that is 2 plus 5 7, not in option. 2 plus 3 5, not in option. 5 plus 5 10, it is in option. So our correct answer is what? A option, that is 10. Okay, let us see the next question, that is question number 3. So now what is the question 3? See. So answer 3. So this is question, a square root of mn is given what? That is 10. And find m plus n. So you know a square root of mn is given 10 and we have to find m plus n. So this is a very simple question. A square root of mn equal to 10. Then mn equal to what? That is 100. Squaring both sides, we will get mn equal to 100. Now we have to find m plus n. So just to check how many pair is there whose product is what? 100. So you can find in this way, just like this is 100. So this is how much? 5 2 is 10, 20. Again 5 4 is 20 and 2 2 is 4. So this is the factor of 100. Now you check how many two factor whose product is 100. So there is a what? Just like 5 multiply 5 4 is 20. So 5 into 20 is what? 100. Right? And 5 into 20 is 100. This is satisfied. So m is 5, n is 20. When we add 20 plus 5, 25. Okay. So if you check here other option, just like this is 25 into 5 what? 25. Into 2 2 is 4. It is also 100. So 25 plus 4 is what? 29. It is not in your option. Right? In the same way you can check, just like 5 5s are 25, 2 is 50 into 2 is also 100. So 50 plus 2 is what? 50. Not it is given. So our correct answer is what? That is 25 is the right answer. So again you see, is find the square root of mn is given 10 and find m plus n. For this type of question, simple tricky approach, root mn 10, so mn is what? 100. Now you check how many pair whose product is 100. So how can we find? First we take, that is the factor. Now 5 5 2 into 2. From this 4 factor you make 2 pair whose product is what? 100. So there are lots of pair. So 5 into 20, 100. 25 into 4, 100. 50 into 2 is also 50 into 2 is also 100. Right? And 100 into 1 is also 100. So when we add this digit, just the 5 plus 20, 25. So our correct answer is what? 25. Let us see the fourth question. So what is the fourth question? See. So answer 4. So fourth question is simple, that is 22 divide 51. And this divide 11 upon 17 multiply 3 by 2. This is the question. So you know the board mass here only two sign, divide and multiply. We know first we have to work for divide. So this is 22 upon 51. The divide change into multiply. Then the number which just after divide will become reciprocal. So this is what? 17 upon 11 multiply 3 by 2. Now 17, 1 is 17, 3 is what? 51. Here 11, 2 is 20 and this 2 and 2 cancel, 3, 3 cancel. So here what? 1. So in option A, option is 1. So our correct answer is 1. So in this way you have seen all these 4 questions which are very important for the placement and interviews exam. Okay. So next question we will also solve in the part number 6. Thank you.